good morning. How are you today? I hope you are happy learning maths virtually with me, and just be positive. Bear in your mind that maths is fun and easy, so everything will be easy. Okay, let's start now, yeah? Okay, class, I'll start our joint variation, the explanation with example 9, yeah? Okay, let's see. If you are asked with this question, P varies directly as Q and square root of R. So how do you write the relation? Yeah, how do you write the relation using the symbol and in equation form? How do you do it? Okay, so it's the same thing with what we have learned previously. P varies directly as Q, yeah, Q and R, and square root of R. You just write. Actually, it's times, yeah, but you don't have to put the times. Understood, yeah? No need. You don't have also to put like this. This one. Or it can be just Q square root of R. So it's understood Q times square root of R. Yeah. Okay. So this is in a symbol form. Yeah. So in equation it is actually P equal, you must have K, yeah, the constant, Q square root of R. Okay. Yeah, that is I think no problem with you. Y varies directly as the square of W and the cube of X. So how you write that? Y varies directly as the square of W. So the square of W and the cube of X. So the cube of X. That is how you write it. And then in equation form, it will be Y equal, just put the K over there, K times W square X cube. Yeah. So far, so good? Okay, let's go and check on C. The volume of a prism V, yeah, V varies directly as the area of cross section A. The area of cross section A, okay, and its height. And its height H lah. So V equal KAH. Okay, now the last one, D. The mass of W of a cylindrical metal rod varies directly as its length P and the square of the diameter of its base D. The square. Okay. So you change into equation, it will be W equal K times PD square. Okay. Okay, class, from the examples just now, we can say that if Y varies directly as X and Z, yeah, you can write it like this: Y varies directly as X and Z, X times Z. So the word N here, actually, when you convert into symbol form, it is times, yeah, X times Z. Okay, and varies directly as this one. It is also you can say it as Y varies jointly as. It's the same thing, yeah. Varies directly as and varies jointly as is the same thing. So in general, for a joint variation, y varies jointly as or directly. This one with the x power m and z power n. That means your x and z, you have the index more than 1. More than 1. So you can write it like this. And then in equation form, it can be written as this. Just remember to put the k. And your index, what I mean just now, your index, your m and n, x power, the index can be, if more than, can be 1, 2, 3, or in fraction form. This one 2, or x power 1 over 3 is actually the cube root of x. And if your z is 1 over 3, it is actually when the index is 1 over 3, it is actually the cube root. And if it is 1 over 2, it is actually the square root. Okay. For example 10, given that this one, x varies directly as y square and z. Okay. Express x in the term of y and z. That means x equal something y z. So this is actually your k. If x is 6, y is 3, z is 5. So the first thing you must write this. It is already done for you. And then next is change into equation form. X equal k y square z. And then you just substitute your x, your y, and your z from here. You substitute. So your x is 6 equal k, your y is 3 square times 5. So your k will be 6 over 9 times 5. It will be k equal, keep it in fraction form, 2 over 15. Then you can write it back using the equation. So x equal 2 over 15 y square z. So x in the term of y and z is this one. Okay. Example 11. The gravitational potential energy, E joules, E, of an object varies directly as its mass m kilogram, and the gravitational acceleration g, g, and its position at the height of h meter from the ground, h. So h, that means you have a joint variation for how many variables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 variables. Okay, given that E is 197, M is 4, G is 9.81, H is 5, all given to you. Write an equation that relates this. So you just change into equation first, M, G, H. You substitute everything here. Everything here. 197 K, and then your M is 4, your G is 9.81, and then your H is 5. You don't need to write the units, it will make you confused. So your K will be you'll get, use the calculator, what you'll get is your k is 1. Yeah? So hence you can write E equal, because it's 1, so you don't have to write mgh only. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, example 12. Three quantities, S, T, U. So you have here S, T, U. Vary as shown in the table on the right. It is given that S varies directly, ST and cube root S varies directly as T and cube root of U. Yeah, cube root of U. Calculate the value of X and Y. So your X and Y is here. Okay, now before you can find what is your X and Y, you have to change this equation into this relation into equation form, that is T cube root of U. Yeah, and remember you have to write the K over there. Yeah, you have to write the K. So you have to find K first before you can get your X and Y. So how to find K? How to find your K? So you have to substitute your S, your T, and your U. So where do you find all these given to you? Which column? You have this one, this column, yeah, and this one, this one. So of course you take this column because all the values of S, T, and U is there. So you substitute as your S is 6, K is the one you want to find, T is 0.8 times your U is 27. Yeah? And then use your calculator, you'll get your K is 2.5. Yeah? So when you get K is 2.5, you substitute back to the equation. S equal 2.5 T cube root of U. Yeah. Okay. So now you can proceed to find your X. Yeah. So you focus here. You focus on here. This one, because you want to find your X. So you write back the equation 2.5 T square root cube root of U. So your S is X 2.5, your T is 1.2, and then your U is 125. This one you have to cube root it. So X, what you get for your X is 15. So done for this one. Now you want to find your Y. You look at this column. So once again, your equation is this one. Okay, your S is 50. 2.5. Your T is 40. And then your cube root of U is actually Y. Okay, so this part is quite interesting. Okay, what do you get is cube root of Y equal, you get 0.5. Okay, now how to solve this one? Most students will have problems to find the Y. Okay, let's see. cube root of y equals 0.5. So actually this cube root is y, the index is 1 over 3 equals 0.5. Okay, want to make this become y, right? So what do? You times it with the power of 3, so that this one cancel out, become y power 1, right? And of course this one also you have to power it with 3, yeah. So what happened? It is actually 0.5 power 3. So you will get, use calculator for this one, 0.125. Okay, so you just remember lah, if this one let's say y power 1 over n equal x, so y will be x, this one is root of n, yeah. So that is one formula for you. Okay, so I think that's all for joint variation. What do you think? Not that difficult, huh? So it's very easy if you do it step by step and you understand the concept. Okay, so that's all for joint variation. See you again next time. Bye.